Sorry guys, this room is so small.
That was like my room.
Oh, she got red lipstick on too.
I want to step on any wires.
You guys go right here. Get away from wires.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, damn. Free socks.
Can you open your eyes? Open your eyes. To the left. To the left. Your left. Over there. Hi, Mom. You're not dreaming. You're... I'm in the way. I'm no surprise. We were trying not to tell you. Aww. Yes, you do. Can't you see she put on her eyelashes and everything for this? You can spank him too.
Kiss the balloon. Don't slap me, stepper.
You pussy.
I told her to come today and to greet. I didn't. I lied.
Tosh went to go pick her up, and I almost slipped when I came over here. I was like, when Aaron them go?
Can you text your parents, tell them not to tell my parents?
I did.
Or grandma?
Well, no, I definitely won't tell Grandma. She sleeps.
That's why I said, Grandma, you have to go in last.
I know. That's why I said, Grandma, you can't go. Grandma, you can't go.
I wanted these guys to come in first. I didn't want to come in first.
Yeah, no, grandma's win.
Did you enjoy your surprise?
Save the best for last.
You got your whole family here, girl. And I told you, you're going to be with the angels. God's with you. So, you just hurry up and get better, okay? Because we need that smiling face smiling back at us.
That one right there.
Uh-huh. No, you should have took a picture of that.
Oh, it's okay. We just got on video. Another slap for you, DJ.
Yes.
Okay, baby. I think I need to go home. I've been here since early this morning. You know that. So, I need to go home. I just wanted to, me and Daddy just wanted to wait until you got here. And to tell you that we love you and that we're happy that you're okay.
Here comes Papa.
But we never had any doubt because I told you you're going to be with the angels in there. Didn't I?
Come inside, Grandpa.
They're going to keep you safe and wrap their arms around you and keep you safe throughout your surgery and for us to stay here so you get some rest because I know you're still groggy from the anesthesia. I love you and we're going to go home, okay? But you got plenty of visitors here to keep you company.
I co-sign that speech into brain. Bye, Papa.
Bye, Grandpa.
Drive careful.
You guys didn't want to eat then?
Dad's gotta go back to work tonight.
If they eat, they're gonna get sleepy. They're already tired.
Hmm?
Bye, son. Love you.
I'll be back tomorrow.
Got it.
Bye, Grandma. Bye, son.
Good to see you.
Hi, Mom.
Bye, Grandma.
Can you open your eyes?
Bye, baby. Love you too.
Bye, Papa.
Can you see at least?
Drive careful.
Hmm?
Hi, son.
Isaac. I didn't spoil your surprise.
Good job, guys.
Mm.
The people who knew.
I'll be over tomorrow.